Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can share your Instagram link on your Snapchat. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Instagram account. Finally, once you have done that, on the bottom right you're going to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon, and now simply on the top right you're going to tap on the triple line icon, which is going to go ahead and open this menu for you. So now as you can see, the fifth option is going to be QR code. You're simply going to go ahead and tap on that, and finally it's going to take you to this page right over here where you can simply go ahead and scan this QR code, or on the top right there is going to be the share button right over here. If you tap on that, it's going to open this right over here where you want to simply go ahead and tap on the Snapchat option, and now as you can see it's going to go ahead and share your QR for you. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.